Hi again, and I will show you how to send the Quizlet to me by email. The best way to do it so that it doesn't end up on my junk or spam mail is to manually send it by an actual email and don't send it from the Quizlet. So how do you do that? So if you want to share, you finished your list of words, let's say, okay? So one I did before. You share, you copy this link, but don't write the email address here. So it's better if you do it this way. You just copy the link and then you go to your email and send me the message. That's and then just put it here again. Of course, if there's two of you, I might need to do that. And then send. Okay. Okay, and that's it.